Hello guys, I'm back and this morning you remember me, the child that I record videos just to get my first play button and you're my favorite people on the universe. So what do you want to do today? I just have snacks. So do you want to eat some? Okay, you're gonna watch me eat. Okay? Here's the sticker. You can watch while eating. Okay? Mm. Yummy. Mm. Well, today, guys, what we are doing, I didn't, a video that I broke at that day. I broke this, and you remember this, yeah? So you guys you remember my tita? Comment down below if you friend my tita, okay? Okay? But everybody watching my YouTube channel, thank you for 26 subscribers. I appreciate that. I'm just trying to get to 1 million subscribers to get a golden play button. I'm recording these videos because I want to reach the 1 million subscriber count so the YouTube headquarters can give me a golden play button. I want that so bad. So I'm recording this video because your guys will help me reach there to my goal. Okay? You guys are the best. And you're going to help me. Even if I reach 100 subscribers, I will still be grateful. And thank you guys for making me reach 26 subscribers. Celebrating! Yay! So guys, what do you want to do? Comment down below so I can read your comments. So anybody want to say something to me, just say it on the comments. I will do what you say on the comments, okay? This is my favorite YouTube channel. I make my YouTube channel for you. And I'm going to quit YouTube in 1 year to 10 years. So bye bye. In 1 year I'm quitting YouTube.